Hallo?
Verbunden mit LAPTOP 9TF328C.
Welcome!
True alpha males meet true alpha males.
TommyKay Cooking for Gamers is sponsored by
Mali Kochen mit Liebe.
the best source of alpha male food, made by Madeline and Lisa Kay.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. We're just...
This beta male started to eat our meals. This is him now. Every meal is special, and sometimes there is a little surprise in it.
There's very many white stuff.
Questions?
Will I poop it out? Is it gonna fuck me?
Yes, we guarantee 100% massive poop attacks.
Ah. Oh, there's a big poop attack coming. Oh my god, that's a huge poop attack. That is so big. Guys, maybe 10 minutes. I'm sorry, we have to take a break here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Try out now.
Welcome to Tommy's Cooking Show. Food for gamers. You and me, we suck at cooking. So today is first episode. Gentlemen, for a long time now, I have been saying that I want to switch the content up a bit. I want to change some stuff, and I got myself a very expensive phone with a contract which apparently isn't working. This is Wi-Fi right now. Maybe I should get a Wi-Fi repeater for better cooking streams. It seems like there's no 5G where I live, fucking Germany. We're gonna learn cooking together. I'm a bad cook. We're gonna start out very slow here today with a basic one that I can do. A basic tomato sauce. Very basic, but very fancy. It's not some trash, you will see. Let's start. So what do we need? We ain't no beta cucks, we eat meat. So let's start slowly. Before you cook, you have to do a thing called mise en place. Mise en place is a French word, and mise en place means, it's very important, before you cook your meal, you prepare everything. There's going to be garlic, there's going to be onions, you already cut them, put them on the side. You cut everything, and then you start cooking. So what do we need for a good sauce? Let's prepare. First of all, we need any type of meat. It doesn't matter where you're from, what your culture is. Just get a type of meat that goes good with tomato sauce. I have some basic French pork sausage. Take a look here. And here we have a beautiful, nice garlic. The Romanian people in chat, they hate this stuff. We're gonna put the garlic trash in here. And it depends who you are, right? I would like one big garlic glove, I think. Like, if you take a look at this one, that's a nice garlic glove, I would say. That's enough for our purpose. Ooh, poo, I have to close this. There's smelly shit in there. I think one garlic is enough, okay? I don't want to smell like your dad. I have no onions? What? Alhamdulillah. Nah, I have onion here. But unfortunately, no red onion. We don't have a red onion here. I have to take a basic onion. That sucks. Normally, red onions are better. It's okay, though. We have this bad boy right here. Basic white European onion. 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 That is the first basics that we need for the famous TommyKay tomato sauce. First of all, we have to wash our hands. See, you're completely right. Then you get the knife. So here we have a beautiful sausage. It's from France, €3. Not the best of stuff. We're gonna open it. Put away the plastic. So here we have that. Put that in the... Always put everything in the trash right away so you don't have to clean up later. It's very important. A clean kitchen shows a clean cook. This is gonna go into tomato sauce, so we have to be careful. Don't make the pieces too big. Nobody wants big pieces of meat in their mouth other than your mom. So let's be careful here. We're gonna make a little bit smaller. And now we have to make cubes. I still have big problems making cubes, man. I'm still a bit newbie at that. So the way you make cubes, I'm a bit shit at this. But we're learning cooking here. I'm not good. We're learning cooking together. So you're gonna make little lines. There you go. You see that? Lines. Nice and thin. Then you change it. You see it? Now you do this. This is where I fuck up. I'm gonna show you where I fuck up. Because I'm not a good cook. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing wrong. One sec. So you do this, and here's the problem now. I'm doing wrong. Now you have these very long, you know, it's too long, right? So now I'm a bit newbie. I take the long thing, and you cut it in the middle. You can do this far more professional. Oh, they're still together. Ew, what am I doing wrong? And you have these little beautiful cubes. You need little beautiful cubes. It's very important that they're all the same size, so they have the same cooking point. It's Jagdwurst. Yeah, to all my German friends, you can use any kind of meat, whatever you're into. I just feel like that this this kind of sausage, once you fry it in oil, it's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna have a big mouth here. I'm taking 2 pieces. Maybe let's take 3, because I don't have time for this. 3 pieces, you see? And now let's do this. On. Ah, shit. This is, nah, it's not working. When you cook for someone, like a nice lady, and you only have big pieces, you're doing something wrong. If a lady is coming over for cooking to you, there's only 1 big piece she has to handle later. And it's not in the food. The lady is gonna be like, this guy is too lazy to cut the food. That means he's too lazy to provide for me. I'm not gonna fuck him. Listen to that shit. Very important. Oh, this is good. Streaming on my knees. Like a bathtub streamer. Oh no! Guys! Did you see that? You guys went black. What is this, Netflix? Look how to hold a knife. Shut up. This is my kitchen. And in my kitchen is my roots. Oh, la, la, la. So we have this big piece here, right? Look at this big piece. How do you cube it correctly? And here we go. You cut in the side first. Look at this. You cut the side. Watch this. Watch. You cut the side. And you cut the side again. I need sharper knives if I want to be a real cook on Twitch. So now I have these side cuts. And now I do the main cuts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. There, now it's much better. Now I only have to do the side cuts. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. There you go. Look at that. So here we go. We cubed the sausage. Look at that. Very important. How do you cut a garlic? I learned something there from Lisa, and that is the following. You don't just start, you do this first. Bam, bam, knack. The empty shell goes off so easily, look at that. Oh la la. And there you go. The garlic is clean. There's a little poopy side, you put away the sides, they're a bit annoying. So you cut it in the middle. You know what I always do, because I'm laziest, so I take the 2 and I just 1, 2, 3. Look, this is really bad pieces. Look, they're really big, right? You do this, like a pro. Look at this. Why am I out of breath? We all know onions make people cry. You have to be very careful there. What I like to do is make a little cut on the side, like this. Because now you can take off his defensive barrier. Lisa always says it's okay if the most outside level gets lost. It's cool. Because you want the inside of the onion, right? It's like with a woman. The outside, yeah. But when you peel away the looks, you know what matters inside? It's the inside. That was a good job, Tommy. So here we go. Once again. You put the knife like this and you do the side cut. Watch this, watch this. It's not very... Fuck, man. Oh, if I make it like this. Oh, look. You take it like this. And hey, this is genius. I'm gonna make side cuts, but not all the way through. Watch this, watch. This is actually genius. I just learned something. Boom. Look. The onion is still together, but I made the side cuts. So now if I cut, I only make little pieces. Holy shit, that's insane. I have to get a chair. Oh, that's amazing! Who the fuck invented chairs, am I right? Ladies and gentlemen, we finished our mise en place. What you need now is a thing your mom uses a lot. It's called a frying pan. Hey, if I do this, I'm a real cook. What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
When you make a sauce, you don't take a very, how to say, thin pan. You need a deep pan, like a pool. Imagine Amaranth in here. She can have a bathtub in this.
Hello there.
So what we're doing is, we are getting ourselves oil. You can use olive oil, raps oil, I don't know what the fuck. I use this one. Rapsöl, I don't know how to say in English. Raps oil. So you put the frying pan on, make it hot, make it 9, and you put in the oil. Not too much, not too much. Well, to make a tomato sauce, chat, you obviously need tomatoes. So the way I do it in Germany, our style is we get 2 types of tomatoes. Once again, if you use organic, they're much more tasteful in my opinion. We have, this means chopped up tomatoes. There's a picture, you see? They're chopped up. And this is squash tomatoes. It's a nice little mix to have different tastes in your mouth. So you can see the oil is rising, and ladies and gentlemen, you get a cooking spoon and you put in the meat. You have to find the middle when they're golden brown. And dude, when they are golden brown, they taste like heaven's ass, dude, I swear to God. Center the fucking pan. Oh, it's even worse now. Oh, like this. So here's a very important thing. I'm not kidding. This is very important. Listen to this, chat. You put in the onion without the garlic. Garlic gets fucked quicker than onion. The onion goes in, and when it's a little bit brownish, you then put in the garlic. If you first put in the garlic and then the onion, the garlic will be burnt by the time the onion is through. Look at that color, huh? Beautiful. So we're gonna switch it up, gentlemen. We are putting in, what are we putting in? Garlic, onion, exactly. The onion and not the garlic. You don't add the garlic. So here comes the onion. Come on, let's take this serious, man. What's up? Now, when you see, oh, this smells like pizza. Seasoning comes later. Watch, watch. If you put in the seasoning now, it's gonna burn. If you pepper and salt, the molecules are gonna die too easily. You season when the sauce is in. So I see a little bit of brownness now, and we're adding our beautiful garlic. We're just doing 1 minute here. Oh, the garlic is coming out. The aromas are coming out. Oh, beautiful. Oh, we have a piece of meat. Let's taste it. Ow, ah! Oh, put on. There's nothing better than frying meat, man. So, as I said, we have these 2 different tomato contours, and this is where the real story happens. We're gonna start with my squashed tomatoes. This is a nice point here, because once again, if you let it fry too long, your garlic is gonna burn, or maybe even your meat. Okay, get it all out there. Lisa always puts water in it, because we have to say very dry because of the fucking environment. I don't think China is gonna give a shit if I put this. Oh. What the fuck? Oh, it's too hot. Yeah, you can see that. If it's squashing like this, bloop, 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 like a diarrhea, it's wrong. I put down the heat a bit, and here comes the second one. Chopped up tomatoes. Look, this is like almost real tomatoes. Clean your mess, clean your mess. Otherwise your girlfriend is gonna fucking kill you. Now comes the good part, and that is the seasoning part. This is where mistakes are made. This is where art is made. This is the seasoning part. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start easy. First of all, we have the basics: salt from the League of Legends community and pepper. I personally feel not too much pepper. If you pepper it up too much, you can really destroy it. So we're putting up some pepper. Not too much, not too much. Salt is very dangerous. When you are a newbie cook like me, you oftentimes oversalt things. It's important to know it's better to have less salt than too much salt, because you can't take out the salt anymore, right? So we're just doing a little bit of salt. Little bit. This is oregano. This is what they sell you as weed on the schoolyard. Look at this oregano. See that? Oregano. You go, boop. There you fucking go. We want to make it taste Italian, don't we? And a little gimmick that I have, there's a company in Germany that sells certain spices. And this is this company, Just Spices. And it says right here, tomato seasoning. Tomato sauce seasoning. It's a mix of a lot of things, for example, salt, a little bit of garlic, carrots, paprika, fenchel, oregano. It's a mix of a lot. So this is, for noobs like us, Chad, this is very clever. Look, it already gives you all the spices you want. You have to add a little bit of sugar. Not too much. You don't make it too sweet. I need this bit more. Oh, that's... Oh no. Here we go, secret ingredient, port wine. Oh, I like me some port wine. Oh, la, la. And you add a little bit, just a little bit. That's it. That's it. We are now reducing. Reducing means that with a lot of heat, you make the H2O go out of the food. It's like you're playing a game, guys. Cyberpunk. Okay, and last but not least, we need some herbs. Guys, I'm showing you the real shit, man. Okay, look at that. This is my Venus flytrap, guys. And where's the basilicum? There, you see it. That's we have basilicum here. So here we go. Watch this. See that? Look at that. Self-grown. I'm so proud of this. So we have to wash it because it's full of fucking bugs and insects. Cold water, and here we go. Now I want to go back to serious mode. 1 second, everybody. Mann, Alter, was ist das? Hamdullah, ey. Was ist das? Oh, shit. There we go. Okay. You take the basil and you take off the leaves. And we add the basil. Basil. Basil, you say in English, right? You now do the taste test and you see what's missing. A professional does this. Here we go. It tastes amazing. If you make this for like a girlfriend, dude, you won. All the seasoning is so fucking professional. And I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I think I can proudly present Tommy's tomato sauce. Very, very basic, very quick to be done. I'm a big fan. You get some high quality pasta, you put it on, and don't forget a lot of cheese. You put a lot of cheese on it, it's so good, chat. It's so good. This is a gift that Lisa's dad gave to me. It says, it's kind of saying this is the easiest cookbook ever. It's legit for retards. Look how easy it is. Big pictures, not a lot of text. It's for monkeys like me, right? And I already prepared some shit I want to do with you guys. For example, here, grilled cheese with apple. That sounds cool. What else do we got? Here we have pasta with peas and mushrooms. Very healthy, right? You don't always need meat. And here in the end, there's the big stuff, the big league. Let me show you the big league. I'm very afraid of this. I'm not that good at cooking. Look at that. I want to do this with you, chat. A chicken breast with cherries and wine. Look at that picture. Look. Chat, we're gonna make all that stuff here on this channel. I thank you for tuning in for the first episode of this epic stream. Bye! How do I turn this off? Like here? No. I think here.